In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick way to import images in AutoCAD without losing references. We're going to use the external reference or Xref method. This is the dependable way to bring in a logo, a site photo, or a scanned sketch without bloating your drawing or accidentally breaking the link later. Instead of embedding the image, you'll keep it linked to the original file so your DWG stays lighter and can reflect updates to the image. Start by opening the external references palette. In the command line, type Xref and press enter. This palette is your control center for anything you attach from the outside: drawings, PDFs, and images. It shows what's linked, whether the links are found, and lets you manage them if you ever need to. Next, attach the image as a reference. In the palette, click Attach DWG, DWF, or Image. In the File dialog, browse to your image, JPG, PNG, or BMP, select it and click Open. By attaching it this way, you're keeping it as an external reference. That means AutoCAD stores a pointer to the file's location on your computer or network, rather than embedding the pixels inside your DWG. It's faster, cleaner, and ideal when you want to avoid losing references. AutoCAD will now prompt you in the command line to place the image. Specify the insertion point by clicking anywhere in your drawing, or type exact coordinates if you prefer precision. Then set the scale. A scale of 1 is a good starting point. You can make it larger or smaller to fit your layout or match your drawing units. Finally, set the rotation angle. Enter 0 to keep it level, or type another angle if you want it aligned differently. If you're not sure, accept the default and adjust later, because you can always move, rotate, or rescale the image afterward using grips or the properties palette. Because this is an Xref, the connection to your original image remains live. If the image changes outside AutoCAD, you can simply reload it in the palette, and your drawing will reflect the update. To avoid broken links, keep the image in a stable folder relative to your DWG, and when you share your project, include the image file along with the drawing so the path resolves correctly on another computer. That's all there is to it. By using Xref, you import images quickly and keep your references intact, your file size is lean, and your workflow reliable.